Myself Sumit, the student of Ramanaj Gupta Degree College from Department of Physics, currently in first semester.
Myself Kaushik Roy, I am from Ramanaj Gupta Degree College, Department of Physics, currently in first semester.
We are representing the different types of welding joints
And explain common welding defects.
So for research purpose, we have visited a welding shop and asked the shopkeeper how to weld and what are the benefits of welding, what are the defects of welding, and we have done some welding in the guidance of the shopkeeper.
Firstly, we have done T-joint. The shopkeeper says the advantage of T-joint are strong structure connection, ease of oiling, good load distribution, and so on. Some common defects are lack of fusion, incomplete penetration, porosity, undercut. To prevent the defect, we have to follow some precaution, maintain proper angle, use correct current voltage and travel speed, allow control cooling to avoid distortion.
Secondly, we have done lap joints. Advantages of lap joints are easy to weld, strong joint, no edge preparation needed, suitable for different thickness, and so on. Defects of lap joints are corrosion in overlap area, uneven stress distribution, not suitable for thick plates, distortion risk.
To prevent the defects, we have to follow some precaution. Proper edge preparation with proper oiling current and speed, control of heat input.
Thirdly, we have done butt joints. Advantages of butt joints are simple design, good strength, required less material, and so on. Defects of butt joints are edge preparation needed, lack of penetration, high distortion risks, and so on.
To prevent the defects, we have to follow some precaution. Proper edge preparation with proper oiling current and speed, control of heat input.
In conclusion, butt, lap, and T-joints are the most commonly used welding joints.
Butt joints for joining plates, end-to-end lap joint for overlapping metal, and T-joint for perpendicular connection.
Proper technique helps prevent defects like cracks and incomplete fusion, ensuring strong and reliable welds.